Modern real estate operations rely on complex infrastructure systems working seamlessly behind the scenes. But many real estate teams still depend on reactive maintenance models. Infrastructure issues are identified too late, systems remain disconnected, and operations teams struggle with limited visibility across assets. This leads to unexpected downtime, rising operational costs, delayed repairs, and increased pressure on maintenance teams. That's where Aekyam comes in. Aekyam transforms infrastructure maintenance from reactive to predictive with AI-driven risk detection across your asset portfolio. When failure signals are identified, intelligent workflows automatically coordinate inspections and repair schedules, reducing operational burden and minimizing costly disruptions. With Aekyam, real estate teams gain real-time visibility, proactive maintenance intelligence, and connected operations built for modern infrastructure management. Experience intelligent operations and connected infrastructure with Aekyam.